New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Good. Welcome to our next video for
Bia.
today. Welcome to our next vlog.
Next vlog.
Yeah. So guys, for today's video, very simple na yung vlog. Now, this is what we call repeat after me. Let's say for example, maana ko, English.
English.
Yeah. So, repeat after me. Ato i-practice si Bia kung litok ba good siya o good language, good pronunciation sa mga vocabulary. Okay, Bia, are you ready? Okay. So, first is simple sa ta. First, simple. Okay? Okay. Chicken.
Chicken.
Wow. Next. Student.
Student.
Oh, good job. Again. Next. Bridge.
Bridge.
Woo! Ganda yun. Sige, next. Kani, lisod na ni ha? Alright. New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Personal ibig ko itong joke yun. Kani. Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
One more. Zimbabwe. Again. Zimbabwe. Lisod? Yeah, okay, next na lang. New York.
New York.
Good job, kayo. Okay, next na po. Kani. Madagascar.
Lisod.
Lisod na. Lisod. Gani. Australia.
Australia.
Very good guy. Next. United States of America. Again. United States. Sino mong good na? Try ka na. United States. Okay. Next lang. Korea. Di ka kayo ba? Korea. Okay. Mga kuha na punta, mga trees. Okay? Nara tree.
Tree.
Nice, very good. Nationality na punta, mga flag, mga nation. Okay. Iraq. Very good guy. Last two na lang. Kani. Isulod na ako ni. Poland. And one more. Dapat kabulukan ni pinakalasta. Okay. London. Very good. Good job. Now see you to our next video. Goodbye. See you. Bye. Now subscribe.